SPA Fellow, an expert known for critical insight, a sought-after mentor, a bringer of unique perspectives, a thought leader in the field. Ed Stewart is SPA's Systems Engineering and Emerging Technology Fellow. In this interview, we talk with Ed about his role as a fellow and his accomplishments as the Director of Navy and Marine Corps initiatives. What drew you to SPA?
Folks I talked to before coming aboard all said, you go to SPA for the hard problems. I wanted to be a part of that team. I tell our new hires that I didn't retire from federal service and then join SPA. I retired in order to join SPA. Every day feels like the first day of spring training. Hope, opportunity, excitement for the future. Even after 40 years, I'm learning new things and being challenged.
How do you define systems engineering and emerging technology?
Systems engineering is a disciplined approach to guiding the maturity of a system from conceptualization to requirements definition, design, development, prototyping, testing, manufacturing, deployment, lifecycle sustainment, and eventual disposal.
How did you become interested in the subject?
My interest in systems engineering was a natural extension of the system design work I did early in my career. I learned that disciplined systems engineering was necessary to deliver first-time quality every time, and the absence of sound systems engineering leads to failures and rework. I've learned the lessons of not investing enough in systems engineering up front. When there's not enough money to do it right the first time, you pay the price of having to do it again.
What was your experience before SPA?
I have 40 years of systems engineering experience, culminating in my receiving my expert systems engineering professional certification from INCOSE. Most of those years were spent as a civil servant in DoD's technical workforce. Later in my career, I was able to lead systems engineering organizations at the executive level, serving as the SES technical director for NSWC Panama City, responsible for providing systems engineering support for the Navy and Marine Corps systems used in the littoral regions of the world, and I finished my career as the chief engineer of the Marine Corps.
Is there a big, interesting problem in systems engineering and emerging technology you would like to solve someday?
Every fleet admiral or forward deployed general officer that I hear speak always talks about the need for more warfighting capability today. Warfighting capability delivered faster than ever before. The challenge for the acquisition and the systems engineering community is to facilitate getting capability in the hands of our warfighters, and half the time it's taken historically for us to do so. The answer and the solution for that is digital systems engineering. By building models, we can solve expensive problems down the road. We can ensure interfaces work and interoperability of systems that we need to be interoperable in order to complete kill chains. And through simulation, we can test our systems in more environments than we've ever been able to test in live fire.
You lead SPA's Office of Innovation. What is the mission of the Office of Innovation?
We champion, lead, and facilitate the delivery of advanced capabilities to improve an already stellar suite of software tools that will supercharge an already talented workforce and make us more ready to meet our clients' greatest needs.
What motivates you to deliver exceptional results?
What motivates me? Let me tell you a story. When I was in high school, I lived in West Africa in Monrovia, Liberia, next to a British family. And one day when I was over there, I learned that they were going to change their nationality to become Canadian. And that perplexed me. And I asked, if you're going to change your nationality, why wouldn't you become an American? And the mother responded by saying, oh, Eddie, you're all the same. I didn't understand the remark at the time, but I understand it now. Americans love and are proud of our country. This is the greatest country in the history of the planet, and what motivates me is to play some small role for those who are willing to wear the uniform and protect the liberties that we have come to enjoy and love, and our freedoms that we sometimes take for granted. But I wanted to play a small role in making sure that if our warfighters ever have to go into the fight, it's never going to be a fair fight. Victory is assured.
Tell us something about yourself that we would not know to ask.
So something that people might not know about me is I live on a farm. After 40 years of technology immersion and systems engineering, I'm now learning about how to make hay, animal husbandry, and chickens and guinea hens. But hopefully later this year, we'll also get into beef cattle. So this is an exciting time of learning new things.
Thank you, Ed. Learn more about SPA's fellows at spa.com/fellows.